As you guys can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you what it's like to drive a 1997 Mazda Miata in what could be classified as a blizzard. We're getting about probably an inch an hour right now. So yeah, or no, not an inch an hour, more than an inch an hour. Yeah, it should be pretty interesting. Birdie move, birdie move! Jesus, Bird. You got a death wish or something, dude? He might not, but I kind of do, bringing this car out in the snow. If I have to make a turn like that, I'm gonna have to like really come to a crawling speed. That's well, yeah, I'm gonna have to come to a crawling speed whenever I want to turn. As soon as I put down power, instantly start to slide out. It's not even that I'm putting down a lot of power, because obviously it's a Miata, but I'm putting down enough power to the rear wheels. That's the deciding factor right there. Is since it's a rear wheel drive car, no matter what power you put down in the snow, you're still going to slide out. Closed today. Perfect. This is all about learning how to handle my car. Like literally nothing. And as soon as I nothing, absolutely nothing at all. Oh, see, there we go. That's why we do it in a parking lot. See, there we go. I mean, like, let's even check an emergency stop at 20 miles an hour. If I can get up to 20 in this parking lot, see, there we go. Exactly why we do stuff in a parking lot. I wasn't even trying to. Just take a look. Oh my God. The fenders, everything. In there. Everything is gonna be snow covered. It's crazy. It's crazy. Everything is just snow covered. But hey, that is why we do stuff in a parking lot and not on the main roads, because the only ones we'll hurt is ourselves. So just remember that next time you go and try to do something stupid on the road, is if you get caught on the road, you'll be in some pretty big trouble. If you get caught in a parking lot, most likely you're just gonna get caught and get a little slap on the wrist, hopefully. But yeah, and if you don't know how to drive in the snow, or you've never driven in the snow in a rear-wheel drive car, or in any car for that matter, bring it to a parking lot first. Trust your gut. Go to a parking lot, and yeah. All right, let's get back on the road. If we can get back on the road. Oh no, I'm stopping on a hill. This ain't gonna be fun. Oh, oh, go, go, go. There we go. We got the traction on the road. And most of the time, it's not even you that you have to be worried about. It's the other people on the road. Revs all the way up and can't even get a single bite of traction. That is so much fun. Scary for some people, fun for others. We're gonna put that back on there because it's starting to ice up. I don't want to be too loud. Wow, but just look at these roads. They're just snow covered. That's really it. There's nothing too special to driving in the snow other than just being careful and knowing that it's very dangerous. Other than that, there's nothing to it. This kid's loving it. That's what I love the most. That's what I love the most about my car right there, is giving joy back to other people. Just look at that. How could you get mad at this car? Like, come on. If you saw this thing doing donuts and stuff in a parking lot, could you be mad at it? Realistically, probably, because people don't know how to have fun in these days. People don't know what it's like to just enjoy everything, enjoy the moment. The lady in this Cumberland Farms was like, that doesn't look like a good snow car. And I go, no, but it's a fun snow car. And then she goes, what, do you do like a lot of drifting or anything? And I'm like, no. I've only had the car for a little bit over a year. Not over a year. About a year now. Okay. And I was like, I really just brought it out to learn how it feels, how to drive rear-wheel drive in the snow. And yeah. But overall, she was pretty cool. She was an older lady, so I don't know if she thought, what is this kid doing? Or if she was like, oh, this is sick that this kid brought his car out in the snow. But yeah, I guess the world will never know unless she sees this video somehow. Then she'll know. We'll know. So, I was just sitting here at the spot and I did one of my Arizona flips. And I looked to my right over there and officer. I was expecting the lights. I was expecting for him to stop and talk with me and all this and that. But he was just like, just taking pictures, and I was like, yep. And he said, alright, just be careful on the roads and have a good day. And I said, have a good day, and he went off. Jesus. That wind out there is crazy. Look at the ground. Let me zoom in. That's how fast the wind is. I mean, it doesn't look like a lot. Surely I can tell you with the snow hitting your face, blowing sideways, it's a lot, and it's cold. My hands are so red right now. It is freezing. I might have slight hypothermia in my hands. It is so cold. It is very, very cold. Oh my god. I can't feel them. I cannot feel my hands. Oh. heat on hands. There we go. So guys, that has been what it's like to drive my 97 Mazda Miata in what could be classified as a blizzard. That's what it's like. And this is what it looks like. But have a good one, guys. Peace.